Hello P2! Welcome back to IP English time. Today we have lesson 49. I hope that you are ready. So let's get started. P2, today we're going to learn about questions. Unit 4, he is a hero or is he a hero? Let's see what we have. So today I'm going to explain you how to ask a question. Is she a? And is he a? Let's start with the grammar. Let's have a look at the picture. You can see a pupil. Do you remember how to make the sentence? She is a pupil. So do you remember we use she because she is a girl. And if you want to ask a question, you should put is first, then she, then a pupil, and don't forget about question mark. If you want to say the sentence, she is a pupil, you use full stop. And if you want to ask a question, you should use question mark. Let's continue. I will explain you with some more examples. Let's have a look. She is a housewife. So let's make a question. Let's put is first, then she, then a housewife, and question mark. Is she a housewife? Can you repeat? Is she a housewife? Very good. The next one. She is a teacher. And let's make a question. Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? So you have to put is first, then she, and then a teacher with a question mark. So you can see that we reverse the order of the words. Now let's have a look at the picture. You can see a pilot. He is a pilot. And let's ask a question. Is he a pilot? So is will be the first word of this sentence. Then he, and then a pilot with a question mark. So let's read this sentence. He is a pilot. And the question, is he a pilot? Okay, now we're going to look at the last picture. He is a fireman. And now, what about question? So, is will be the first word, then he, and a fireman with a question mark. Let's read it together. Is he a fireman? Repeat. Is he a fireman? You reverse the order of the words. Now let's play a game together to practice our questions. You have to look at the picture and you can see a pilot. Yes, and we have to make a question. So we have to think what is going to be the first word of the question and the second. Let's read what we have. He, is, or she. So what is going to be first? Do you remember? I will help you. Is. Is will be the first word of the question. And the next one, he or she. Do you remember how to choose between he or she? So you have to look at the picture and to think. Is it a woman or a man? This is the man. That's why we use he. So let's read our question now. Is he a pilot? Repeat. Is he a pilot? Very good. Let's try one more. A teacher. Let's make a question. So, what is going to be the first in this question? He, is, or she? Can you tell me? Do you remember how to make a question? Is. Yes. So we have to choose is first. Then let's decide what we have to choose, he or she. Let's have a look at the picture. We can see a teacher. Is it he or she? He, yes, he is a man. That's why we use he. And let's read our question now. Is he a teacher? Can you repeat? Is he a teacher? Great job. Let's continue. It's a teacher also, and we have to make a question. Let's think together what is going to be first in our question. He, is, or she? Do you remember? Is, yes, that's correct. Is will be the first word of the question. And then we have to choose he or she. We can see on the picture a teacher. The same occupation as on the previous slide. But do you remember that on our previous slide we had a man as a teacher? And here you can see a woman. So we have to choose she. Yes, this time we have to choose she because we choose she for girls or women. Let's read our question. Is she a teacher? Repeat. Is she a teacher? Great. Let's have a look at the picture. It's a housewife. Let's make a question. So, let's have a look. We have he, is, and she. Do you remember how to make a question? So, we should start with is. Very good. We have to start with is. And then let's choose between he or she. If you look at the picture, you can see a housewife and this is a woman. So it means that we have to choose he. No, we have to choose she. Very good. And now let's read our question. Is she a housewife? Can you repeat? Is she a housewife? Good job, P2. Thank you so much. We will practice this topic in our next lessons. Now I want you to look through these slides and check your homeworks. So you can see all your homeworks here. And please finish your homework if you haven't done. Our today's lesson is over. So I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care, P2.